You know, I have a soft part in my heart for evolutions, and this one has a particular cool body kit to it, and I just wanted to share it with everybody. You check out that fender, it comes out and it gets chopped, and it goes in. That's the first time I ever seen one like that. There's nothing else here. It's just that fender. Now, looks like it has a vent in here. Looks pretty cool if you ask me. Looks like it's some kind of specific wind velocity engineering body kit. What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down?